What's going on, the Lucis McGuzer?
We're going to see GNR.
What, you doing the what?
We're going to go see GNR.
Did you say GNR? Axl Rose doing his thing? Welcome to that jungle.
We got fun games.
Honey, we know the names.
Oh, God.
Oh my God. Okay, we're at Queen Spadina now.
Oh, my God.
We left.
I need a double cheeseburger.
You're not getting the double cheeseburger now.
Look, there's no lineup. There's no lineup.
You're not gonna do it.
Get ourselves a double cheeseburger.
Not doing the double cheeseburger. Are you insane? What about a streetcar? Hurry up. Meet me right there across the street. This guy just went in for a double cheeseburger. We're going the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, God. Christ. Better cut it there. We're on our way to fucking GNR. Hey, Axl. How you doing, buddy? Thanks for that voice.